Do you recognize the song?
There was no help from you. Tear me apart.
No.
You don't know the ACDC Thunderstruck?
Walk down the highway. Walk down the
Well, it was a huge band. I understand that in Thailand you're not familiar.
I'm not even born. Oh, I born.
You were
Maybe
born.
20 days.
You were born for like a month. There's a band called Steven Seagal
Steeps and Seagull.
from Finland.
Seagull.
Yeah, it's a weird name. Basically, they're gonna cover a lot of songs, and one of the songs that they cover is this one, and it has 184 million views.
Oh my god.
I think it's an instrument cover with, I don't know if they're singing or not, but
really?
yeah, it's very interesting. I wanted to react to it because I would not find this channel if there was not as much views, but it got suggested by YouTube because we've been reacting to a few Finnish rock music lately or classical, and it recommended this one, so I wanted to react to it. Yes, let's get started.
Let's get started.
Okay. By the way, I'm Max from Canada.
I'm Suji from Thailand.
We live in Thailand. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. You bring all the. Oh my god!
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track.
Oh my god, look at the instrument.
Yeah.
It's a clapper, right?
Yeah, look like a spoon.
Yeah. We have someone in Quebec that do something like this. Wait, let me show you.
What's up? Very good. Stops. Looked around and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced
See?
and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway.
Woo!
We hit the town. Went through the Texas.
Oh, see, they use everyday items to make the sound.
Yeah, even this one, it seems like they make it themselves or not.
Yeah, I think so. They create some instrument. Just like when I just showed you guys.
Yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. All the fools, yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. 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 I was shaking at the
Even that guy to press the drum is using a spatula or something.
Yeah.
Using. Oh, but it's. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be creative.
Yeah.
It's so creative. It's so fun to listen to.
True.
And listen why it went viral, because it's so clever and it feels very Finnish culture at the same time. Everything.
And like there are a lot of things to think about. Like, what are they using? Things
Yeah.
like that.
You've been thunderstruck. 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 Say yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. We're doing fine. Oh, thunderstruck. Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck.
All the instrument fit too.
Thunderstruck. You've been thunderstruck.
Wow. Yeah. This was 10 years ago.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Do you have new performance? Oh,
The most recent is this
4
one.
months ago. Angry Bird.
Oh my god.
Oh,
They are,
nice.
they are doing the same thing, but as the pick, maybe with better sound. and
Yeah.
everything. Oh my god, they are awesome. Wow. Yeah, oh, they did Metallica here. Okay. That was quite unexpected, but it's so joyful. Exactly what the internet need more of in 2025. That's why they are so popular to this day, and they have like more than 1 million subscribers. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. Well, thank you for the amazing suggestion. If you want to suggest us more video from Finland, let us know in the comment below. Yes, that was amazing. And see you very soon.